Some days begin quietly, at home, in the rhythm you know, in the kind of trust that doesn't need a command. Then the day shifts, on the road, into the search, out where the ground changes under every step. Because readiness doesn't belong to just one place. It moves with you, through the work, through the unknown, through the call that asks more of everyone who answers it. Together when the mission is shared, focused when each role has to carry its own weight, over distance, through rough ground, across terrain that asks for elite focus and first response. And when the path turns harder, the right aid has to move with you. Protect what stands beside you. Stay ready for what comes next. Elite First Aid.